1 year ago today, our joint venture participants announced a positive FID for LNG Canada. And a year later, I'm happy to say that we are fully in construction.
It is so amazing. I can't believe how far we've come in this year.
I've watched all the people getting jobs, going to training courses, coming to open houses. It's just incredible. You can't find a miserable person in Kitimat.
Really hard to believe for us that 12 months has passed on the project. We're doing our very best to provide well-paying jobs and careers for people for a lifetime.
To date, we've hired 155 Indigenous individuals, 260 locals between Kitimat and Terrace, 359 BC residents, and out of that, there's 152 women.
In total, we've awarded $725 million in contracts to Indigenous and local communities, and we're just getting started.
You can see a difference in the hydro economy. A lot more people are working.
This is our backyard. We want to train the people. We want people to be part of the project that they are building here. We need about 2,000 more workers, 800 just for LNG Canada site.
Hiring local is key to the success of this project. Carpenters, millwrights, iron workers, everything you can imagine, all of the trades, plus all of the staff to support those trades.
We are offering many different roles on Coastal GasLink, from construction type jobs, lots of training and education. Really, anybody who's looking, we encourage to come out.
I've heard about the Kitimat project for a while, and I'm already applied with your place. I'm just excited for the opportunity to work so I can provide for myself and my son.
It's a big time opportunity, and I'm glad it's here. It's time to come home.
I came out to seek employment opportunity with the different companies. I'm excited for all the job opportunities close to home, and it's cool to be able to take part in a big project like this.
Anybody who comes to work on this project knows that this is the biggest thing going in Canada. It's one of the biggest things going in the world, and to be a part of it is an honor.
A project like this will build sustainability for our youth, both Indigenous and non-Indigenous. Today it really opened a lot of eyes. It's a big, big step.